Hello everyone. So do you want to create a awesome looking PowerPoint presentation only using AI and also for free? Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can create this type of awesome looking PowerPoint presentation using AI for free. So first of all, you need to come to your ChatGPT app or ChatGPT account on your PC or on your mobile. You can do this. So first, you can upload your data here, like upload your PDF file, your data, or whatever file that you are going to create a PowerPoint presentation. For example, I'm just going to give a command prompt here to create me a PowerPoint presentation. So for example, I just give a simple prompt here, create a pptx presentation, slides on our solar system and how it works. So I'm just going to click submit and ChatGPT is going to create me a PowerPoint presentation slide in just seconds. And now as you can see, our PowerPoint presentation has been ready. Now you can download this file. So I'm just going to click on download this and just click save and it can be downloaded on my PC. Now I have opened the presentation in my PowerPoint as you can see. Now this looks like a boring and normal presentation. So how to create like the before I show you the presentation, how to create with the visual effects and images. Also I'm going to show you how to create that and this is for free. So first you just need to go to Google Gemini, use your Google Gemini account on your phone or you can do this on your PC. It's better to do this on your PC because we're going to use the canvas option. So we're going to upload the pptx file or the PowerPoint presentation file that we created with ChatGPT. So just click on add files, upload files and upload the PowerPoint that we created with ChatGPT. And now again we're going to give a simple command prompt here, but first you need to go to the tools option and select canvas option. Now here I just give a simple prompt. Based on this file, create a beautiful PowerPoint slides document. So you just need to click on submit and it will start to analyze your PowerPoint and then it will go to the canvas section. So when you're trying to create a PowerPoint with the canvas section in Gemini AI, as you can see now it's on canvas section, it's going to take some couple of minutes. So I'm just going to skip this video and show you how the PowerPoint looked like. As you can see, our PowerPoint or the slide is created on Gemini AI and it's looking pretty cool. With this, you can create this type of slides for free. As you can see, the images, the data is all the same. With this boring PowerPoint that we made with ChatGPT, then using the Google Gemini, we create this. So now look at this result, it's pretty cool and also it gives the sources where it's getting the images from. So now how to create this into a PowerPoint. So if you download this, if you click on this download, it will only just create a PDF file. But first we're going to export this to slides. So if you just click on this export to slides, it will create a slides on Google Slides and then we can use this on a PowerPoint. So also I'm going to show you how to do this. So wait for the creating slides option. So now our slides has been ready. Click on this open slides and this will take you to the Google AI slides and now you can use this or edit this here. But if you want to create this onto a PowerPoint section, just go to this file and here you'll find this download option and you can download this as a Microsoft PowerPoint. So let me just download it, click on this and it will start to download on your PC as a pptx file. As you can see, it's done now. And now I have opened this in my PowerPoint or the PowerPoint online here. As you can see, this is the PowerPoint file that we created with Gemini AI with Google Slides. Now it's in my pptx file. So that's it guys. This is how you can create awesome looking PowerPoint with using AI tools for free. And there's another thing that I want to show you, that if you try to create the PowerPoint with ChatGPT, you can create 2 to 3. 3 is the limit per pptx, but if you use the Perplexity AI, it's free. You can create lots of pptx or the PowerPoint file just like we use the normal PowerPoint to use. So you can use the Perplexity AI to create this type of PowerPoint. Then you can create this type of PowerPoint using the Gemini AI, which is also for free. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.